Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei Nova 11 SE. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now you can click install. Now you can click open. And now click I agree. Then click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you can confirm your data and privacy settings, and here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.